Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of ratio analysis report in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app provides an in-depth financial evaluation by calculating key ratios such as liquidity, profitability, efficiency, and leverage. It helps businesses assess their financial health with matrices like current ratio, debt or equity ratio, gross and net profit, and return on investment. By offering clear insight into cost management, profitability, and investment returns, this module supports data-driven decision-making for better financial stability and strategic planning. So, for this, we will go into the accounting module. Here, under reporting section, you will find different type of reports. Here you can see the reports. Here you will find a menu named Ratio Analysis Report. Click on that and you will be able to see the analysis report. Here you can see the net profit, the income, the expenses, the assets, liabilities, equity, debt equity ratio. You will find all the amount in here. Here you will find a PDF button. Click on that and you can see a PDF is downloaded. Open that and here you will find a PDF of ratio analysis. Here also you will find all the sections like net profit, income, expense, assets, liability, equity and debt equity ratio. Here you can see all the data. Not only the PDF report, but an action button, you will find an option to download Excel report. Click on that and you can see an Excel report has been downloaded. Click on that and here you can see the Excel report of your ratio analysis. Here also you can see all the options like debt, equity, liability, expense, and etc. etc. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.